Renault has presented the R-Space Lab, a concept vehicle that serves as a testing platform for future interior technologies in passenger-focused design. Developed as part of Renault's innovation initiatives, the concept places particular emphasis on creating a flexible and digitalized cabin that reflects the brand's voitures à vivre philosophy. The interior is designed to maximize comfort and adaptability, featuring a modular layout that allows the space to easily switch between passenger transport and cargo use. 3 identical individual seats in the rear can be adjusted, folded, or reconfigured, while foldable seatbacks and flip-up cushions help optimize space depending on passengers' needs. A key highlight of the R-Space Lab's interior is its advanced digital cockpit. The dashboard features a wide openR panorama display that stretches across the cabin, integrating driving information, multimedia controls, and vehicle settings into a single curved screen. The concept also uses steer-by-wire technology, allowing for a more compact steering wheel and improved visibility while freeing up space inside the cabin. Renault is also exploring artificial intelligence features that could provide personalized assistance, driving guidance, and safety alerts through the vehicle's digital interface. The cabin's design focuses on openness and light, using large glazed surfaces and a panoramic roof to create a bright and airy environment. Combined with flexible seating, digital interfaces, and an emphasis on passenger comfort, the R-Space Lab interior demonstrates how Renault envisions future vehicles as adaptable living spaces rather than simply means of transport,